Hello YouTube, so in front of you, here's something I did a while back ago. So as you can see, it is an air horn, but I've made it into a remote control because it will be super loud if you set it off when you're next to it. So here's the receiver, and here's my controller. So when you press one of these buttons, the air horn would sound. As simple as that. Here's a look around. The on-off switch in our compressor. So I have another video of this going off because it's way too loud to set off, and it will be like 20 feet away. So I'll upload that other video or edit it into this video, one of the above. But for now,